Greetings, beloved humans and furry friends. I'm excited to share my latest snack craze. Salmon snacks from GrubTerra. They are all natural, made in the USA, and are high in protein. My favorite features are the mad delicious, savory taste and the chewy texture. No additives, no preservatives, just 100% natural. Even the cat got caught stealing one out of the bag. Their website is linked in the description box below. Use code CritterGlitter for 10% off your purchase. Beloved humans, you won't regret getting your furry friends this special, healthy, and tasty treat.